guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to return Shein items. First, launch your Shein app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. If not, please do so that you can access your orders. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the lower right corner. Now go to the Orders section and click View All. All your previous orders will appear here. Choose any of your orders that you want to return, and there should be a return option beside it. Click on it. If the item that you want to return has not exceeded the maximum time for return eligibility, then Shein will ask you to provide the reason why you want to return the item. After that, you have to select the return method and submit your application. After submission, Shein will be notified of this request and will check the eligibility of your request. And that's it. You have now successfully requested a return for a specific Shein product. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!